Hi guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to deactivate Messenger account on iPhone. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Messenger application in your mobile device. Once you are now on Messenger, this time, tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper left. And then, click on the gear icon on the upper right. In here, scroll down. And then go to Account Settings. You will now be redirected to another website in your internet browser in your mobile device. This will be facebook.com. In here, you will need to click on your account or your personal information. Now go to Access and Control and click on Edit. In here, click on Deactivation and Deletion. In here, you will need to choose either Deactivate or Delete. For this case, we are going to click on Deactivate Account. Click on Continue and then follow the instructions by Facebook once you click on the Continue button. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.